Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the crack and prepping the surface. This matters because adhesion fails on dirty or oily vinyl. Once cleaned with 70% 90% isopropyl, trim any ragged edges to create a uniform gap. Make sure to fit backing cloth under deep splits so the filler has support. That prevents sinkage later. While you work, mix a small amount of flexible vinyl filler to a creamy consistency. This gives you control and reduces waste. Now you install the backing cloth and begin filling. Do this in thin layers because thick fills shrink or crack. Once the cloth is positioned, press in the first thin pass of filler, then let it cure about 10 to 15 minutes. This creates a bond to the backing. You repeat, building up to the surface level, and sand between coats using 320 then finer grits to feather edges. This step-by-step layering ensures strength and a seamless finish. Finish by matching color. You tint flexible vinyl dye or paint and apply light coats because intense matching prevents a patchy look. Once color is set, recreate texture with a stipple pad or powdered pigment. Press gently to blend the repair into surrounding grain. Make sure to seal with a flexible clear coat to protect UV and abrasion. If the repair cracks later, reopen the seam, confirm backing placement, and redo thin layer filler. That fixes adhesion failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.